How to leave the multi-device beta on WhatsApp. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So first let's go to our WhatsApp app, and then from here from the chat you want to go on those three dots from the right top corner and then click on the third option, which is linked devices. And then if you are here logged with a device, with another device than just your phone, you can go ahead and click on that device and then log out. Well, here as you can see, I am not logged with another device, so I can just click on multi-device beta. And if I want to leave the multi-device beta, you just have to click on leave beta. So yeah guys, it's that easy as you can see. Now we can go out of here and we can also join the bed whenever we want at any time. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts about this topic and some questions if you have. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.